sorry, oh father. I can't be get mad. Now, Mama Kevin, now may I let you, may I give you one minute go sleep, and you heard it from my mouth, but I have to say it. I am sorry, oh father. Amen. Oh, you understand? Since he might not greet shut up. Now, me want tell her now, so that make DJ God now know say he don't put Mama Kevin for problem. You put that for problem, you say, you not put that, you say, put that, you say, he tell you secret, you yourself, DJ God, nothing keep on. Now, me want to keep my own. Mama Kevin, not be use your mouth, tell me, say, at any time, when you take the receipt salary, now your husband, take the con, they come. If you receive the salary, now your husband, take the con. Using money to please man. If you want, if my father can call, if you can remember when I call her one day, say, Daddy, instead of you today, this morning when they enter train, they go, they come. So why you not use and stay? Why you not see if my now that day, if my father can recover, if he can remember, I call I say if they train, if they go house. Yeah, Kevin, I tell you, I want you.
Facebook family, I don't miss me.
If I talk, it will affect your husband. You think I'm joking with you?
Facebook family, I don't miss me.
I never talk.
I want to sack.
If your man is poor, they talk and they quiet. Now make I tell you, say, if it is gossip your husband, who be me? Where no fit gossip?
I say what? Essay,
when you know what you gossip. That's why I say all this while.
Essay, what we get
quiet.
What we get
you they talk, you just say DJ go fit beat me, he go fit saga me.
See another matter.
This New Year
is not New Year.
He say they go ask. Now say another
New Year is not New Year.
Money wey take dey buy ticket, they go and come. Why you know you're better just stay one place? You not force you make you give up.
You not start well. There is a fire in the Matthew.
At any time when your husband when you salary, now your husband come, and I used to they give her money, make they go back.
You see, I don't hear where. Essay. What to do? What fanoko? 2026, my people. It don't say to Abule. Essay is about to fanoko. Hello, they are not hearing me. Essay talk show is about to fanoko. Mama Kevin is on the wrong. Get Kevin wale. If you roll, Mama Kevin. So the money. Efrakik bo we she trust is there. Can't tell Efrakik bo when she trust. They say that oh, ye Kevin so ladia. Ye Kevin, who we so ladia. Oh Gogak bo ye Kevin. Ye Kevin, who we so ladia. Efrakik bo we she trust. He don't settle. Ye wo walare o be sakpo. New year man, New year say. New year na. Ona waya la New year na. I say why? My year again.
Husband, when you take the receipt salary, now your husband.
I know you aware.
He not force you make you give her money.
You say, essay. What? We not force to make give her money. Essay. You way he not force to make give her money. So if Rocky BJ can make it true, he can't. Oh, you want baby or what? You true okay, baby or wawa. Ye Kevin we aso ladia. Ye Kevin we aso ladia. O big boy. Ye Kevin we aso ladia. Efraki gbo we shentro. Na people mo na here o. Say the goddaughter of Fracomozuo. I know some of una know. The goddaughter of Fracomozuo. He don't crack man. He say Mama Kevin. Na money he take the carry Frank they go. He say Frank no like him. Frank no like him. He go ya money. Is there no money? Or when you want to receive a salary, or when you fraki wa ya Tori. A salary ma phone e fraki ba. E fraki ba. E fraki mo so salary ma phone ba. E salary ga gbe Frank. E Frank. Kevin, oh that boy. What have you done? Frank, a salary Kevin, oh that boy. We want a salary Kevin for ne. Where do I have on social media? Kevin, e moye ude weti koke mose mogi weti. Kevin te weti wo wie. Kevin weti wo wie. Frank di get tikba. Kevin weti. My people, what are they listening to? A Seto show.
Call her. They say they go ask. That's I know. That's it.
What are listening to?
That's it. Money will take the back ticket. They go and come. Why you know you're better just stay one place.
You say may stay one place.
Après l'année,
Oh, may stay one place. May stay one place. I say where the money will take the back ticket. May stay one place. There are salary. May no go show salary. Me go sack boy just yo.
Man, Kevin, now may I let you, may I give you one minute go sleep. And you heard it for my mouth.
He
But I
heard
have
you.
to say,
He heard it for your
I am
mouth.
sorry,
He hear me for your mouth.
Father. Amen. Oh,
Ye Kevin, ahun afanoko. Wa dai ile fanoko. Frankie don't know this one is coming 2026. Ese yan fanoko. Wa gegun. Wa ga ti ene egun. Ogun ga gbero wa. We do bisi la di. Ese yan fanoko. Ese, what are you saying? Ese yan fanoko. Ese yan fanoko. Ijo, ese afanoko.
you understand? Since a man no gree shut up, now me want tell her now so that make DJ God now know say he don't put Mama Kevin for problem.
Ese afanoko.
You put that for problem, you say, you not put that, you say, put that, you say, he tell you secret, you yourself, DJ God, not fit keep am. Now me want to keep my own.
A secret
Mama Kevin,
buroto.
you use your mouth tell me, say, at any time when you take the receive salary, now your husband take the con. If you receive the salary, now your husband take the con.
Oh, yedu. Awere DJ Kevin ya receive salary. Komozo ya Tori. Oh, he was all latry. He go the tree to tree. Me me wo yari. Oh, ye Kevin ogun ga gbo. Ese true, Frank gbo we ye Kevin. A woman 56 years. Una won una ya mo yin na. We go gba lomo. Unwe Frank gba lomo. Una won una ya mo. Why is there zero big biju ebe? Frank, when they look for Peking when one born, European Peking, you deceive and say you feel born. You deceive her. Happy New Year, Stanley. Stanley, I don't want to deceive Frank. Frank comes only go to Europe Peking or be. I go to Europe Peking. Oh, one of what they call we are. I Eko na ya deceive Frank. Il me ko na ya for 2 years plus o na ya. Iye Kevin ya since 2 years. My people, Mama Kevin still get belle for 2 years. Mama Kevin ya. Ye Kevin me ma modern wa bi ye Kevin. 2 years. 9 months. Now they carry belle de bon. My people, 9 months. They carry belle for 9 months. They go use am bon. As I'm telling you now, Mama Kevin carry belle, whole man pretend saying get belle. For more than 2 years now, ye Kevin, ye dad they come here, echo rag boy ye Kevin. No, they say now, it don't start to. Part 1 agent now. Part 1 agent now. It's now, I dey hear about what matter for his side. I dey hear about what matter for his side do. SCF and no Ese, I know so na go call am. Frank, una ya tie na egun ogun gbiju more listing.
You are using
More listing.
now your husband take the con. If you receive the salary, now your husband take the con.
See matter.
Using money to please man.
To please ma.
If you want, if my father can call, if you can remember when I call her one day, say daddy, instead of you today, this morning we take the enter train, they come. So why you not use and stay? Why you not see if you now that day day, if my father can recover, if he can remember, I call I say, if they train, if they go house.
If they go house.
I tell you, I want you.
You want Mama Kelly?
I want you.
You want Mama Kelly?
You know what? I think if I talk, it will affect your husband. You think I'm joking with you?
Ijo, I get going. I say, why get going?
I never talk.
Why get going? I say,
if your man they poor,
I say,
they
talk
and they quiet.
More pass on
Let me tell you, say, if you just gossip your husband, who be me? Where no fit gossip?
Now let me tell you this girl.
Who be me? Where no fit gossip? That's why I dey quiet all this while. I dey quiet. I dey say, make una tell am o. Make una tell am o. You dey talk, you just say DJ go fit beat me. He go fit saga me. If my mama father fit remember when I call her, he say they go ask. Now say I know. Now say daddy, money wey you take dey buy ticket dey go and come. Why you know you better just stay one place?
Why sakbo?
E not force you make you give am money.
Why sakbo?
Say at any time when your husband, when you take the receive salary, now your husband take the come, and now you see they give am money, make take they go back. Never complain.
Hey, Baba, see matter.
When I will tell orere, this money to please man.
This money to
you know nothing. You know nothing.
This money
Godfather, you know nothing.
Godfather know nothing.
I will tell you.
Godfather know nothing. Ogbe Godfather. Your
wife, your wife, not be quiet.
Quiet wife. The wife is not quiet.
You not be quiet.
Why
they don't call this wife. Una not call her in order.
They not call her in order.
Mama Kevin, I never talk. Oh yeah, tell me God say me bring it up.
Matter day.
I'm ready for you people now.
Matter day.
Mama Kevin, I think the matter side the way your husband go do me, not go shake me, but now you go collect her.
EJ.
That's how I talk Irish. We are still coming.
That is
yeah.
If you look at since then, Francomoz will not share this gay video again for a very long time. If Francomoz will share video again now, Ezona wrote on this thing. Una the oppressor. Who are oppressor say abi? What of Francomoz? E got to we not been an USA. Who will oppressor? We not been an USA. On our way assassin. We not been an USA. Francomoz as they were here. It is what they. We they got to not been an USA. On our way assassin. What is that this? This get fetish. I mean the girl now with social media with different Francomoz. Nobody with this girl no insult. On our way assassin. On the wire says Francomoz. And you be ready. On the wire says who get to a fanoko. On the wire says who ya set to your DJ. E set to met go wrong. Who done babe. Who better set to met go wrong. Who are pretend woman? Who down on the kilo? No, the yalawa. Of disgrace of honey. Your wife now don't they see shame at disgrace. I hear say she don't run entire sass now. Or ele la one. You know say she be hard. Or you betting it. All la one. Oh they did done. Or you betting it. Oh ya lay. When go honey they did done. Susu. Or we who done. You Kevin of you. E o gag boy you Kevin. Je kevi e o gagbo kinori aje e o gagbo wa le here e gbo e o gagbo ma fo e o gagbo wa so je kevi e o ye na setting na where is this we mess one asa we are who we here asa a grave we go no lad we frank here ya wa gbe o your grave no be like your grave ya penny frank this the money no lad the grave na there na they here na having bugie where woo ye can woo it 20 years ozo ya get 20 years years ozo ya bad anyway your family ya bad anyway do you know the one that is calling me When me yatime. Who is Zuo? They abandon you. Who is Zua? Oh, will not let we 30 years in Europe. Zua. 30 years in Europe. Even when you could do it. Now you see they use belly the old man 30 years in Europe. Musalua will tell you Kevin. They dig devil. You are running. Don't run. Wait for a say. Wait for a say. If you run 2026 Ireland, wait for a say. Oh, yeah, man. Man, it was supported say or no. It was supported. Me again no yagbe. Do it. Tell to Alela one who bell. Oh, done. Then we ya e frank e boy bamboo be. I mean the boy a boy no ye zo. He cannot go to Benin go. All here no bell hold down. Evil woman. Why boy frankie e frankie ogbuwe central we are pretend we mugu. One we mugu. Everywhere to we frankie mugu no wa. All frankie no wrong only here TB. So when for you to come in and say I get belly, why? Who is Zua? Frank not saying no fit give my belly. Who am you man? You know me the day you want my TB. Wow, salwa. When you get a revenge. If you carry young girls and young girl with her for 2 years, you not taking 3 years. You want be like a Dominion talk show. Ove. I'm with the so that stress in him. Who is Zua? You can be away. Listen to your goddaughter. Your goddaughter who fanoko no bell. A Goddaughter fanoko. When man a Goddaughter tassin, listen to Goddaughter no salwa you kevi.
DJ God say come outside. DJ God, who when many time you come you talk and say if I saga them DJ God again, you go tell DJ God make he saga me. I expect that word to your husband. Never say anything. And I will come quiet. Yes. Tell DJ God make it come outside. I'm ready. No, wash again. Now so I talk and reach. They wait for DJ Goat another respond again. I know if you're in my live video. I just control with that one.
Imagine they may be talking.
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
It's already the mess with you.
Don't mess with me. If I keep quiet,
Goddaughter
will be elderly person. Mother.
Goddaughter fanoko. The dinya you
the people.
Ye gospel we are ye or setting for ye gospel they did that. I mean they did that the rebu. Ogoga below. Ye gospel wa ye or setting for. Goddaughter oh fanoko. Goddaughter fanoko you. Ye gospel wa we like here. No soon working really aje 2026 na. Ye gospel Goddaughter wa fanoko. Where they did that? Ekpu no we are. O we ale. Ebon we ati ma igbe. Arebo 30 soti ebon na wujo yin ma wina no salwa. Ero pa ma wina. Goddaughter fanoko na ye Kevin de la wa. Omozo me get topic o ni amure. O ya get one topic na ogbe wa. Omozo a topic o ni amure. 2026 started well with Fracomozo. Goddaughter Fracomozo. Mama Kevin. Tiri tarura Goddaughter ve fanoko. Tiri tarura Goddaughter fanoko. Fracomozo can't address this issue. Don't address it. Don't address it. Imagine my boy. Was when they did down on Moyowa. They listened to it. Did
in wild sale. Say, in your record. The people where your husband group. He talk too much. He talk too much.
You can talk too much.
He talk too much.
You can talk too much.
Did you go come outside?
Oh, well.
And they wait for her.
You can talk well.
You back away.
Up where he?
You tell me
Up
where. See, this new year, you go dirty.
EJ.
Do first, second, third, fourth. Waiting.
Where this new year go
Send me
dirty?
your account, man.
He didn't. Where this new year go dirty? I know hear where. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not. Where this new year go dirty? Mona list.
You talk too much. On your time did you go to come outside? Had they wait for her? You back away. You tell me where. See, this new year, you go dirty. Do first, second, third, fourth. Waiting. Send me your account, man. Man, return your money, give you. I'm not going to tell your money do. Send me your account. Man, return your money, give you.
Bad mo, you go dad, you go da very gay. Say, you go da go. Say, what you go that way? Say, you go get gay, say go so. You go down, you get a bit. You get the bit. Say they get back. I said you go. You can be return. Oh, well, do you go away? You go down. You can be do you go away? Always send your account, Mama Kevin. It does settle. It does set. If I dey tell una say, Franco Mozua, this useless Mama Kevin, he zuo. Now why I insult to him in social media? Now I'm with dog boto. Look at their life now. Listen.
Man, return your money, give you. See, this new year, you go dirty.
EJ.
Do first, second, third, fourth. Waiting. Send me your account, man. Man, return your money, give you. I'm not going to tell this your money do. Send me your account. Man, return your money, give you.
EJ. It does set to abule. It does set to abule. EJ.
You know, say you're all dirty for inside ass. You they carry my matter, go the tell DJ Goat.
EJ.
Send me your account, man. Give me your money.
It does
I
settle.
don't want to talk.
It does settle.
I just give you.
It does settle.
So, me the way you they talk. Because of you, now your husband give me that insult. But he never say it. Did you go and post her? You know, tell us to make it delete her. Me, I never add that video to call me back.
I said that problem.
I don't warrant that insult.
I don't want. They want oppressor.
Après la naissance de mon bébé, je voulais être...
Frank and Yeye were oppressor. I know agree with the oppressor. I know agree with the oppressor. I say you not talk. Make it come talk. I deal with them. Yeah, like TikTok later. Yeah, before with TikTok you do. What are they listening?
If you feel gossip your husband for me, who be me? Oh, come on now.
So Mama Kevin they gossip that boy anyhow.
Oh, come on now.
Release.
You gossip me come outside. Baby,
I don't block the car with your dollar there.
Nothing will affect me. Oh yeah.
No, yeah,
gossip. You know, say this thing because you the feel say if you they talk and they respect your husband.
Audio to very soon. We are the start. The new year
Don't
will
forget.
soon.
Now, Sumo.
I know the many of my fans don't miss misses. No, no,
make you just come back again.
Facebook.
The one
TikTok
I
again
drop.
now. TikTok.
You know go like.
Now they cost me for TikTok. TikTok it dey happen for that side. It dey happen for that side.
The one where I can't drop again. You not go like am. I don't want to use it. Say I want to use it to get view. I bet us I don't want to do saga again. This year I become since last year. Since last year, now they come. But I they call your husband. That one don't give me listening ear. You don't want to let me talk. Even something where sit happen. 4 days here, I be 5 days here. I call him. He say he go call me back. It's this like he said, "Why be an ass arrest now?" You look me like
ass arrest what got me. Larry, what free ass arrest? Worry. What free ass arrest? Idiot about it. What free ass arrest? Ass arrest what got me. Ass arrest. Oh, sorry, Dora. Happy New Year. I sight you now. I don't miss me well. They oppress this girl. Imagine the way I say talk show fair follow Franco Mozua. That today, you ignore. I can share video again. I abandon you come back. I lose second before. Oh, Baba. The prince. Holy one, the prince. Ari lo wene seke. Ana muwefwa. Which is bad. Man, why are we yo? When I'm not a behave like that. Why you again? I am waiting to be again. I'm what I here for. It's not good. Osage, Odigie, happy blessed new year. God bless you, my beautiful sister. God bless you. Wari luene, wana mufua. Iyari luene, iyana mufua. Do you know how work? Ni are get now. Person will not get problem with this girl because of Fracomozo and this Mama Kevin. This girl will bear the matter. Today, they don't ignore her because they get nobody they send her again. May we never follow bad person to do friend. May you never follow. This is a new year prophecy. I don't know where you are watching me. May you never follow bad people to do friend this 2026. No go follow bad person do friend. Every day they preach. Never you follow bad person to do friend. This is 2026. Somebody say, I will never follow bad person to do friend. See the way they abandon this girl now. I feel for the girl. I feel because they too use this girl to constitute for social media, for those cyberspace. They use this girl today, Frank. Oh, Bell. Kadmowe. Oh, yes, Wozo. Emite. What are they listening?
4 days here, 5 days here. I call him. He said he go call me back.
Oh.
Like he said, why we are now arrested now? You look me like who be this we are arrested now. Now you want call.
Yeah.
It's your wife they misbehave.
Yeah.
Number time. Or ya damage DJ goat. Here na go here or in Mahara. Or go what he say.
Yeah. Oh.
No, say all this nonsense.
Yeah.
Deal with me. You they come on, go they talk. One way me tell you. What we talk, you go they tell DJ go. Where you know say your whole world.
2026.
Say, look me well. If you say anything where you tell DJ go, it's not a secret. It's not a secret for them, DJ Goat.
Oh. It's painful.
It's secret. DJ Goat don't get secret. That's why I like her. They come out. If you say something, they sack her, they follow. Now the important one, I mean they pick from inside.
Osagi agaluwa.
Important one, me not the pick.
Kamudianese. Ni lerun. You savez presenter wa miena. Azombu sebuwe. Aouda. If I had the agwalo. Most of them are there. Also, do I get please not to get money. No. If I don't agbuwa. Most of them is also. I get no way. Okay, Jerry, no ma Jerry. Me la tell you magmo. Yes, also avec ko betere. Yes, also ko betede. O de na de quoi. E ko betede na de quoi. E Jerry ni tekbu. On a yari mewe wa TikTok. E Jerry don't want me te Jerry ati yan ezuozuo. Useless set of people. Nikere social media na. Ime mi o matter with the priest here who they one day. Aropa me do ladian with the priest. I saw you scam me. Or me do ladian or with the priest lele was say na betray dey. It never happen in social media. But who wa? Article wa? Which friendship or person will be say come and say don't prince you betrayed me. When I go check, see soon I know me for social media. Who if you come and say don't prince? See what you do me, we not clear. Everything igbo the bogbu do. That's integrity. And your integrity. Enemy don't fight me tire everything to make sure say they see shame and disgrace. No, not see shame and disgrace. Wamami. Wagwa love 2026 avec là na almost a Goddaughter ciel là dedans. A Goddaughter ciel là dedans. Why most of all these presenters you must see they must betray their friendship. They must betray their friendship. Yagi yore noro. Obviously, more progress in le more progress in oti yore ya kokobe. Today, go and see yore more progress. Now let Don Prince. I can never Anybody loyal to Don Prince or friend to the hard before you see say I can't drag her come man. Don Prince, that is integrity. All over. Now let me the whole land. I can't drag. Before I drag Monica come out, because then till today, Monica silentness is not silent in your bed. See, my people, when I show something. My question is something for few of our still there. My show something. See my Don Prince family. When I know they see again, my show now. Don Prince family. When I know they see again. If Facebook carry your page or they want delete and see what they right put. My show now. This is my page. If you check Don Prince family, I know go see her. But see her, now be this one so Don Prince family. See what they right put. He say we suspended your page. This Don Prince family, Don Prince family goes against our community guidelines. Yeah, they suspend them. But let me see her. But you know if you click Don Prince family, I mean you see her. But on my page that time, it was saying that so the city can answer for city see her. But that one, me no just sit down again. I don't want to make admire it. But Monica know all these things. Monica now lock up. This is my page. Don Prince family. See her. See her. See the last video we'll do. We be say I tell why I do that time. See her. Now know this video now. Wait. This woman we carry come at that time. They call this woman Nenny Black. We say that Nenny Black. We go swear for her. Look at her. They say so. These are my page. But if you
Monica,
now they say so.
Minutes to Juju is not.
This is my page. But if you find her, you know go see her. This is my page. Don Prince family. Now they see her. See her. Now they see her. This is my page. Now they say so. This is Don Prince family. Facebook suspend them. They say they got too much of report, got too much. They suspend them. But only me they see her. Facebook can never carry your page without you know say this. But Monica know all these things. Monica now lock up. Oh yeah, the page jack by. For what? All the help where I help them. Why I be me yo. I say today when they say been on a fire when these are evil people. Evil people. Every day I continue to tell you people. Evil people. But they will disguise as a genuine human being. Escorting from you people. Trying to reach from you people. They call big woman, big girl, big boy. And everything are do okay because they are reaching from you people. They are reaching from you people. And reaching from you people. Because when they carry my pay art, they with them. I go say okay now I'm gonna release my pay art. I want to see how much Facebook they pay me. I want to see how much Facebook they pay me. Who be me when I want to see how much Facebook they pay me? These are people who be saying me. I think I also, yeah also, hey also got beluwa. Me think also. Me think also. Me waiting a lot to do. I will me agbone wa. Me also yadi. I don't know some of them also the day. Oh go got beluwa. I don't know some also the day. Also, maybe oh boy so maybe me make also yaji they also they use my they create content they do rubbish on social media. That is why the only Don Prince they know if you carry come and say Mona bring one tea accuse Don Prince one nighting now. Mona bring one tea come and accuse Don Prince one nighting. For how many years I take this social media? Mona once your feet say Don Prince don't teach me once. Or you consider that's why I do you. Bring one thing to accuse Don Prince. In not day. That's integrity. That's it. See on see my page. Don Prince family. No baby this one. Don Prince family. But that Don Prince comedy news where they carry, you cannot see that one again. You know if you see again. These are evil set of people. Don't come pretend say they okay. They come they wear shirt. We say one room there. They run up and down for one room. They create content. You think say they drive. Come the first say they drive Range Rover. They use all over. They create content. What you not do me? Everlasting pains. That go enter on our body for those who always support what they do me. Everlasting pains. Everlasting pains. That go penetrate. Enter It's how una body now we laugh me, we support this evil atrocity act. Anybody will support her. Everlasting pain, spiritual pain. We be about those people. They will continue to receive everlasting pain. Because ya said bawa kiko. These are kiko dominion. Jealousness because of say people carry my page. You need to go on like that. You need to go and see them today. They don't hide. They dominion they don't go hide. Useless set of people. Which day they will still set with that girl with the carry variety TV? How you never set? But how many times I don't see Don Priest carry person we deal with her? How many times I don't see Don Priest over no see Keme? It don't more like that to disgrace. Well, for me to disgrace, I will talk in SARS first. That is why Don Priest is unique and different. For real, every day after different and unique. But you don't know that they do saga. That they do saga. Me, they follow na do saga. Ogon belowa. Me, they expose una. And Don Priest expose una. Don Priest belowa with saga. Don Priest they expose una. Who yes was we presented so no man need be. Don Priest every day I expose you. I don't do saga with people. I expose you people. What may I expose me? Me mama me mama me ballet. Then what I say, a baby, and what might be a big hero. What me told me now? What mammy really get now? Because he live a fake life. Because I know they live fake life. I market. So I just say make I use that one. Tell una say my page. The carrier. I was generating. Monica don't video your anyway. Take page me go my page here by. Don't video. Go cry your mama. Say you don't know as that page they go. I market who am I when you agbona? How much the page they give una? Where ya una? But today, see your ekiwe do ekiwe your obo. Ekiwe do your obo. Uma do ekiwe your obo. I destroy your market. Money cannot be lie. I destroy your market. That 2 years what I saga you destroy kiwe. Ya get kiwe do. Eri do no kate do. Who you know? Oh, it destroy. Ekiwe do. Many people wise for that wasaga. When many people wise. Small picking. People wise. Ekiwe do. Who a more way you create content. One see all your content now. You will see the way you are. A more ya will see a more we take protect beso. A jebo is forced to enter camera. Jebo forced to enter camera. A jebo you only like camera to make sure say may you steam up it for where then wama una try everything. So te we bo una bobedi as yeki. I'm a trend. Then we may to trend. You are try everything. So te kulikuli era kulikuli then kulikuli mayu kulikuli te ya. O te ya. But hey boy dog yan agba wene. On est Don Prince. Agbobo no pe no ma. Agbobo no pe no ma. Ou agbobo no pe no. You continue to receive everlasting pains. Agbobo no pe no ma. You will continue to receive everlasting pains. You hear me so? Becky na ina. Becky, we be no so na wo set if wa. E Goddaughter fanoko. E Goddaughter 2026 na re gbe. Becky we go marry me with system with Facebook. Yeah na ya we gbe resume Facebook. E TikTok itereji. Asakpo. E Goddaughter to fanunu. E Goddaughter fanunu ne. Awe te fraki gbe mada se true. Awe mada what is your salary ne? Awe a power to re gba. Awe power land. Awe te salary ma phone awe pack ba. Awe te sister so. E kebi weti. E brother you go wan keke wan yofo. E brother you go wan yofo. And esi sari le here. Becky, Nick Peso my way. You will never get. I just see. Nick Peso my way. Nick Peso.
What will see happen? 4 days here, this 5 days.
Nick Peso.
The people where una
I said it for her.
Your husband group.
A brother go and a brother le. A brother le. A brother go. A brother.
You talk too much.
A brother go.
You talk too much.
Because of a sack bonnet. Or we just can't talk too much.
You talk too much. Oh, you tell DJ God they come outside.
And
they wait for us. You back away.
Becky, area now.
Godfather, you know nothing. I will tell you.
We go father man rock bar no sunu.
It's your wife, Martima. Your wife. Not be quiet.
Hey, I piri piri. Becky, that's a godfather well at the Becky,
The talk.
lao, that's a godfather well at the Ubege, a godfather and goddaughter of Borongin in 2026. We go for co working na. We go I can we want to focus. Oh my Mario. Ese godfather la dira Becky. Because on set na e mother ke do gun set show. Ese ke do gun averinha. I share video say for very long time. I share video but I feel safe for an for long time. When they say Mugian say, when they say Saga Becky say, they no matter me Becky. When they say Saga Becky say, today, I say Saga ye Kevin. Ye Kevin ye time. Mama Kevin you go nowhere. We make you let you. Do replace it. Do replace it bell. Becky na re. Becky na temata. Ebona, eshetrono. Imari re eshetre bona hi. Becky na temata. Awo ge Beckita. Awo ge Beckita. I wait till Frankie Deli small start. Es small start of that boy Frankie no zo anyo boy. I wait till Deli small start. Owo na mbe tu katokpa wo west etoke ko we awo we big boy we. Owo ambe tu katon 3 katon na ti dada mokpa. We we ago a big boy. Owo ni ya ta ipa yo we. Wo de no matter le Becky. De no matter le Becky. E Becky te wata. E ma mi e. O te wata ma mi Becky. Today nana. Age fan ko na we ije ke bi awari salary. Iye ke bi awari salary. E fraki wa our Tori. Our Tori. En wina e biro. Nothing. Social media ma be pay. Obuye ke bi here. One of the listing.
This way, una no call her in order. Mama Kevin, I never talk. Oh yeah, tell DJ God say me bring it up. I'm ready for you people now. You, Mama Kevin, I think in the mother saga where your husband go do me, no go shake me, but now you go collect her. Now so I talk Irish. We are still coming. Oh yeah, tell DJ God say me come outside.
Asakbo ne.
DJ God, who when anytime you call you talk and say if I saga them DJ God again, you go tell DJ God make he saga me. I tell that word to your husband. Never say anything. And I will come quiet. Yes. Tell DJ God make it come outside. I'm ready.
Okay. Oh.
Now so I talk and reach.
Frank. Ogoga gbo. When you ya lige. Frank Amazo. When you ya lige o, e die dog agbo. E die do no responsible. You want to do it?
You just control with that one.
You want to do it?
Mama Kevin, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
What are lazy to this area?
Now make I tell you say, if you fit gossip your husband, who be me?
Okay.
Where no fit gossip?
Okay.
Who be me? Where you no go fit gossip?
Okay.
That's why I dey quiet all this while.
Okay.
I dey quiet.
Hey,
I dey say make una tell am o. Make una tell am o. You dey talk, you dey say DJ go fit beat me. You go fit saga me. If my godfather can call, if you can remember when I call am one one day. Say, Daddy, instead of you today, this money where they enter train, they go, they come, they go, they come. So why you not use us? Why you not see if you might now that day, if my father
Mama gave me the bad ticket.
Remember, I call I say if they train, if they go house.
Now Mama gave me the bad ticket.
I tell you, I want you.
Now Mama gave me the bad ticket.
I want you.
You can have the
You know
ticket.
what sale. I think if I talk, it will affect your husband. You think I'm joking with
They
you?
think you are joking. They think you are joking. Yes, they think you are joking.
I never talk.
You never talk. Hey,
It's your man, they poor. They talk and they quiet. Now make I tell you, say, if it gossip your husband, who be me?
Okay.
Where no fit gossip?
Oh, hold on.
Who be me? Where you no go fit gossip? That's why I dey quiet all this while. I dey quiet. I dey say, make una tell am o. Make una tell am o. You dey talk, you just say DJ go fit beat me. He go fit saga me.
Oh,
Après la naissance de...
vai me acertou na Becky. Renarije veut dire. Renarije. Essay. 2026 now. You want to break table leg?
So you fit remember when I call her, he say they go ask. Now say I know. Now say daddy, money wey you take dey buy ticket dey go and come. Why you know you better just stay one place?
Okay.
You not force you make you give her money.
Okay. You can be a woman for you.
Say at any time when your husband, when you take the receive salary, now your husband take the come, and now you see they give her money, make take they go back.
Oh, you can be o se karagbo.
Never complain.
You can be o se karagbo. You can be
Whether I
waiting.
will take or rent
You can be waiting.
this money to please me.
What feed the black boy?
You know that's it. You know nothing.
Oh.
Godfather, you know nothing.
Godfather no
I
nothing.
tell you.
Godfather zua. Godfather no nothing.
This your way.
I can't make Godfather for very easy.
You not be quiet. You not be quiet.
Godfather, I can't do very easy. Oh, where you know nothing. Who is zua Godfather? Hey,
You
Godfather
not
no
be
zua.
quiet.
Godfather no zua.
They talk all this way. Una not call her in order.
Okay. Essaye go. Essaye go.
I never talk. Oh yeah, tell DJ God say me bring it up.
Okay.
I'm ready for you people now. You man Kevin, I just say no matter side the way your husband go do me, no go shake me, but now you go collect him.
Ewo. Owo you Kevin.
That's how I talk about it.
Oh, we have
We
you.
are
Ah,
sick
but
of
you.
you.
Ojo alajaba.
Tell DJ God say me come outside.
Ojo alajaba.
DJ God,
Nah,
who
Jenna.
anytime you call you
Nah, Jenna. Audio go follow.
DJ God again, you go tell DJ God.
Audio go follow.
I expect that word to your
Radwan,
husband.
Jenna, this is Radwan.
Never say anything.
Radwan with this.
And
Audio
I
start
will
with
come quiet.
EJ.
Yes. Tell DJ God, make it come outside. I'm ready.
Audio go follow.
No, wash again. Now so I talk and reach.
Eh?
They wait for DJ Goat another respond again.
Audio alajaba.
I know if you are in my live video.
Na lie, you go nowhere.
I just
You
control
go
that
nowhere.
for you. Mama Kevin, don't mess with me.
Eh?
Don't mess with me.
Mama Kevi, always don't mess with me.
Don't mess.
Always don't mess with me. Everywhere.
If I
Make Kevin la wa.
quiet,
La wa no do do e. Les affaires à la we be wariana. Make Kevin la wa.
you want to
Omen,
sale.
o man the meaning of don't mess with me. Always don't mess.
Say, in your record, the people where your husband group. He talk too much. He talk too much.
Yeah, you talk too much.
He talk too much. Oh, you tell DJ God they come outside. I dey wait for her. He walk away. The time over. See, this new year, you go dirty.
Hey.
You
Dirty New
first,
Year.
second, third, fourth.
Dirty New Year. Dirty December to me. Dirty New Year. Dirty December to me. No, it's not dirty New Year.
Now return your money give you.
Eh? Are we returning this? Baba. I return Igusu. Operation return my money.
You know, say your
JKV. Oh, we have to go where you go down.
DJ Goat.
You go
Say,
down.
give me your money. I don't want to talk. That's small. I just give you.
JKV. Always say that can't even if you go where you go down. You go down.
Stop wasting.
JKV. Always use your cat if you go down, we get me if you go. You go down at boy, JKV. You go where there, where you are there. Agua. You can't go work begin, I see. You can't go work begin, I see. Because you down here, JKV. JKV, you down on Babe, Ewa. You go work by Yesi. You go work by Yesi. You go work by Yesi.
Thing for inside. Hey, Saga, my own banana. Eh, no gay. My way no gay. We Saga. The one where I can't drop.
You
know, like, send me your account, man. Return your money, give you. I'm not going to tell you your money do. Send me your account, man. Return your money, give you.
Yeah, Kevin. Always send me your account.
You know, say you're all dirty for inside as you they carry my matter go the tell DJ Goat.
Yeah, Kevin.
Send me your account.
I
want to talk. That's small.
Oh, win where you are. Win.
So,
Yeah, Kevin. I get one. Oh, when you have your Latin book.
Most of you, now your husband give me that insult. But he never said, did you go and post her? You know, tell us to make it delete her. Me and you not add that video to come about. I don't warrant that insult for your husband hand.
Okay.
You cost it. The way you cry for me.
He cost it. He cry for you. How do you have to
for me? Who be me?
JKV. Maybe you have here. How do you go for that?
Yeah, tell you go say come outside.
You came down. You came down.
Since you know,
Mama tell me cry.
You know, say this thing because you the feel say if you the
day of 56 years.
Respect your husband.
It's a shame.
You don't forget. Now, Sumo, make DJ go come out again.
It's a shame.
Make you just come out again. The one where I can't drop. You know go like her.
2020, this is now always suiting dirty December, dirty New Year.
The one where I can't drop again. You know go like her. I know what use it say. I want use it to get view. I bet us I don't want to do saga again. This year I become since last year. Now they come. But I they call your husband. That one don't give me listening ear. He don't want let me talk. Even something will see happen. 4 days here, I be 5 days here. I call him. He said he go call me back. Like he said,
you know, since you don't share
video.
You don't know they abandon you.
Be this we are arresting now.
Yeah, Luwen, and then move forward.
It's your wife they misbehave.
Luwen, we're giving you.
Or you can make DJ Goat.
Ese, Larry, Aluwene, and I'm for. O say galu mamu for. O say galu mamu for. Ese, Aluwene, and I'm for. So for you to pay back now, if you done your way, don't feel funny because erinya amagbi erinya koda. Why be me here do kuda? Ese, you are not hearing me. Ese, you are not hearing me. Okay, be here do lay. Well, Bobene do blog yagbe. And I don't put where get gone because where you bunu have the quoi. Where get gone? Where get gone? A topic of it later. Where I watch a topic of what later. Where Igbayan Ogun be fraka. Frank ma gba where. A topic of what later. We have one career. Who wa pretend to my beg. You got beluwa. You. My back be ma. My back be ma. You got beluwa. You. Tare. Why eating your heart? Oh, you reply for your money. I eating your heart. A blockers are support you. Don't worry. I eating your heart. Never buy. Yata, I say, hit them hard. Hit them hard so that they might buy. Because they treat you bad. Amana treat you were bad. O mana re holele we mi in we see who go. Who bere one. Who bere ya re holele we.
3,
Continue.
7, 5, 3.
This nonsense, deal with me. You they come on, go they talk the one when me tell you. What do we talk? You go they tell DJ God when you know say your own worst.
Oh.
Say, look me well. You just anything when you tell DJ God, you just say a secret. It's not a secret for them, DJ God. It's secret. DJ don't get secret. That's why I like her. They come out. If you just say they do saga, not they follow. Now the important one, I mean they pick from inside. Important one. Me not the pick. I know they pick all that one saga. And they pick important thing for inside. Hey, saga ni maubera na enoge. Mawe no gize we saga. Anya is a bole magi bole mi ya yo. About DJ go to house. I they pick important one.
Oh, I go etawe do principal magi ogena. Oh, I go etawe do principal magi. We gi eri oge we saga.
Oh yeah, who was that we saga? Oh, try.
I go etawe do priest. Odo bolo me bolo.
Tell me DJ go to house. Then I be your worker. Because I see you do me that time.
Who is Salwa?
Now me be your messenger. Now me you go call, you go tell say do like this, do like that. Now you start saying no work for me. You carry go DJ go. You just say DJ go saga me and go enter house. I only they look you, they pity you. And they only they look you, they pity you.
Anybody
if you gossip your husband for me.
Who le frank you want see?
Who be me?
Who don't know?
If you gossip.
What am why le boy ni? What baby you
follow? Now who gets? Now in the I see the reason why I be one. So. All your bucket yawo.
Eba we ga bi owa so. Eba we ga bi owa so ke yawo. No go that area. So we ga bi owa so wa bi owa. Oh, we best man. Amafo. So we ga bi owa so wana do ato we ga mata me ga ata. We ga bi owa so. Mo na listen to this area o.
Follow.
No, listen.
Me, when you know if you gossip. This woman, I don't observe her like, now who gets, now in the follow.
Okay.
Now who gets, now in the follow. I see the reason why I be one. So. That's your bucket, now I see everything.
So your eye don't open now. Your eye don't open, see. So na boy a boy na reach to babi owawa. We boy na reach to babi owawa. We see una look. See umana do gwan. Umana gwan see. See umana gwan. Oh, ni kaori we see. Do gwan. When the boy na ya di babi owawa, do gwan. When I yak beshe true, do go and say. Otherwise, I'm going to boy na boy. Si man agwan. I'm going to wuye boy na boy. Say, I'm going to wuye boy. Sagero boy si. Say, I'm going to wuye boy na boy. Sagero boy si. Say do go an. Boy na balivye do hu. Avi hu man. Omoni buria. Say do go an. Anyway, jena do go an.
Now in the I don't observe her like, now who gets, now in the follow. Now who gets, now in the follow. I see the reason why I be one. So. That's your bucket yawo. Now I see everything. The reason why I be one. The shop he got bola. And they say, even I be one, even talk and say, he even say.
Things they play, my people. Even so, no things they play. Thank God now, see this girl, they open up small. Abiowa blood is still working. Abiowa blood is still working.
Say you this.
Abiowa blood is still working.
the shop he get bola. And they say, even Abia, even talk and say, he even sell you this thing, sell you money, he even sell you clothes, sell you this thing. You collect her, but in the shop, he get bola.
You can be a
I see the reason why. Abia,
pretend that evil woman. Pretend,